Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox Lenevo M110 wired optical mouse. I bought this for 199 rupees from Amazon, and this mouse is quite popular and has quite good reviews, but you can see here that this mouse was manufactured almost a year ago, so be careful before purchasing this mouse and you will be surprised by seeing this warning message. This product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. So think twice before buying this mouse. Right now I am going to open the box. So I am taking the help of a pen to take this seal off. Yeah, it's quite strong. Wow, the mouse is wrapped in a bubble wrapper, so it will protect it from any damage. The packaging is good. I like the bubble wrapper packaging of this mouse, and it looks quite beautiful and pretty, and the build quality is good. Plastic is also good, but I think the mouse is a bit small than my previous mouse. So I will compare it by putting my previous mouse beside this mouse, so you will have a better idea about the actual size of this mouse. So let me bring my old one. Here, this is my old mouse. It was from Tech. Let me put them side by side. Now you will have a good idea about the size of this Lenevo mouse. It's actually medium sized mouse. It's not a small, but it's a medium sized mouse, and I guess its size is 3.5 inches in length and 2 inches in width. But this mouse wheel is not strong enough. I think it won't last for long, although they claim that it would last for innumerable number of scrolls. And this mouse doesn't have a double click button, which is quite useful sometimes. That's it guys. Overall this is a good mouse except for the warning message. So now it's up to you to decide whether to go for this mouse or not. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel for future updates. Have a great day.